Hi, I'm Peter Hawley, President and CEO of Fabled Copper Corp. And today I would like to tell you about the surface sampling on the Bronson Occurrence, where we sampled 23.1% copper and 36.5 grams per ton silver. These results are part of the 2021 Surface Field Program on our Muskwa copper project. The Muskwa project is comprised of the Neil property, the Toro property, and the Bronson property, all located in northern British Columbia. The Bronson property is comprised of 4 mineral tenors, covering approximately 2,524 hectares. And to date, we have reported on the Book 6 UAV drone mission, the related surface sampling and geophysics survey, the structural survey, and the Aster compilation on the Bronson. And in addition, we have reported on the Book 9 and 10, which may be the southern extent of the Book 6, the sampling on the 428 Central and the 428 South, the PJ 100 and the PJ 105 copper occurrences. And now the last occurrence worked on during 2021, the Bronson copper occurrence. So, let's talk about the Bronson occurrence. The area containing the Bronson Occurrence was prospected on July 19th and August 3rd, 2021. And while overflying the occurrence, an old adit and 3 veins to the north-northeast were observed along a near vertical trending cliff face. The adit was probably excavated to provide platforms for underground drill stations. On August 3rd, 2021, in the valley, located north and downslope of the ridge, hosting the adit, 4 examples of quartz carbonate float were collected. A sample was taken from a large piece of float, 1 meter by a half a meter in size, that was located approximately 500 meters north-northwest of the adit at an elevation of 1,837 meters. As you can see, this sample was mineralized with 6% chalcopyrite and 1% bornite and had a copper content of 8.17% copper. 3 samples were collected in the east end of the valley, upslope from the sample which assayed 8.17% copper, at elevations of between 1,886 and 1,946 meters. These samples contained a pyrite concentration of trace to up to 10% and a trace of copper, and they reported 0.1% copper, as expected. On a broad east-northeast valley south of the adit and veining, the area was prospected on July 19th and August 3rd. And as you can see on a cliff face, the position of an old drill pad was observed, and at an elevation of 2,247 meters. That was a drill job not for the faint of heart. A highly mineralized 25 to 35% chalcopyrite, 1% bornite, and cobalt bloom. This sample was collected and assayed 23.1% copper and 36.5 grams per ton silver. That's over an ounce of silver. And in the north-northeast trending valley off the property, 150 meters south of the southwest corner, an old campsite was visited on August 3rd, 2021. The remnants of the old camp still remain, and a small amount of old drill core was found at an elevation of 1,735 meters. All samples taken were photographed and a GPS location taken. Plus, a metal sample tag was left in place for future references, if required. All this data, plus the assay results, were geotagged and placed in a .kml or .kmz file for use such as Google Earth or other databases. Follow us as we explore for fabled green copper in northern British Columbia.